Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video let's check out how to manage multiple businesses in Wave. It's going to be a quick one, so as we do, let's get into the video. Now in your Wave account, you're going to click your business name that's in the left hand menu, and then you're going to select manage your profile. Now under the business section, you're going to select add a business. Then you're going to enter the business name, business type, and currency. You can set up the new business just like your first, but with separate bank connections and settings. And to switch between businesses, just click your business name and you're going to see the options, the drop down menu with the other businesses that you've added, and you can just choose from the list. Keeping business separate helps with accurate tracking and reporting, and it's a pretty useful feature from Wave that those with multiple businesses want to take advantage of. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I will see you in the next one.